Agriculture is one of the main industries in the Philippines. The use of chemicals in the agricultural industry was proven to have a negative impacts on the soil condition, crops yield, environmental impacts, and impact on human health as well. The Bokashi's main components are agricultural wastes. After harvesting, agricultural wastes are usually burnt, and the smoke produced by the burning goes to the atmosphere and becomes greenhouse gases that are greatly affect our environment and a catalyst for climate change. With innovations such as Bokashi, this agricultural waste will have an added value and become a source of income, as well as contribute to good soil health and crops yields, rather than become a source of environmental problems. So how is Bokashi made? We need to select a good site, like here we have a dry concrete floor and a nice roofing to protect our Bokashi mixture from sunlight and rain. Let's go! Next, we need to prepare the materials needed. As you can see, we have here soil, carbonized rice hull, rice bran, we have also animal manure, and coconut wine and water solution. Coconut wine contains yeast and lactic acid bacteria that helps hasten fermentation of Bokashi to just only 14 days. So these materials are mixed together, alternately adding the coconut wine water solution until desired moisture content is achieved. In order to identify if the mixture is on the optimum moisture content, it should be able to form a ball that crumbles easily. After mixing, form the mixture into a pyramid and cover it with coverings such as sacks. Check the mixture every day for 7 days. It is important to maintain the temperature of 70 degrees centigrade for 7 days. From the 8th to the 14th day, mixing of the Bokashi can be done only once every day. But if the temperature is at 30 degrees centigrade, there is no need to mix. Also, after mixing, there is no need to put it in a pyramid form. Just level it to the ground and cover with sacks. After the 14th day, the mixture should smell like silage and is ready to be used. For the data analysis, the Bokashi was tested on the rice fields to see how it would affect the yield. The experiment was laid out using split plot design with two factors. Main plot served as the two upland rice varieties, the black and the red, and the subplot was levels of Bokashi, 5 tons per hectare, 10 tons per hectare, and 15 tons per hectare. Positive control or commercial organic fertilizer, and negative control or the synthetic fertilizer. Each plot has a dimension of 4 by 5 meters. 1 meter was the distance between blocks, 0.5 meter between treatments, and 1 meter is the dimension of the border canal with a total area of 896 square meters. For the results and discussion, the yield performance of the main plot or the rice varieties in terms of the number of panicles per tiller, number of grains per panicle, yield per treatment, 1,000 seed weight, and rice biomass. In the yield performance of main plot or the 1,000 seed weight shows a highly significant effect wherein red rice got the better performance. Yield performance of rice in subplot or the levels of Bokashi in terms of the number of panicles per tiller, number of grains per panicle, yield per treatment, 1,000 seed weight, and rice biomass. In the yield performance of subplot or the number of panicles, it shows that a highly significant effect wherein 5 tons of Bokashi per hectare can compete to commercial organic fertilizers and synthetic fertilizer. For the conclusion, as Bokashi applied to rice, it has significant effect on the number of tillers and leaves and plant height. On the yield performance, significant effect was observed in the weight of 1,000 seeds and number of panicles per tiller. For the recommendations, apply 5 to 10 tons per hectare of Bokashi to red and black rice varieties.